Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model and exact OS version so you know compatibility limits. This matters because different builds behave differently. Next, make a complete encrypted backup via iCloud or a local tool so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Finally, pause to read warranty and local legal rules. Understand why some actions void warranty or raise security risks. Once these are done, you're ready to explore supported, safe options rather than risky hacks. Once you've secured backups and confirmed status, focus on safe, transparent approaches. Use official recovery or developer modes if they meet your needs because they minimize risk. If community tools are necessary, pick actively maintained open-source projects and read changelogs to understand changes and risks. Always verify file checksums and confirm signatures to avoid tampered content. Make sure to document each step so you can reverse changes. This reduces risk and clarifies why each action matters. To finish responsibly, test the device and avoid irreversible changes until you're confident. If instability appears, restore from your encrypted backup immediately. That's why you made one. Before any irreversible action, consult the device vendor or a certified technician. Professional help prevents costly mistakes. If things go wrong, the most useful troubleshooting step is to preserve logs and take clear screenshots of errors. These artifacts let experts diagnose problems and guide recovery faster, so make that your priority.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.